In today's video, we have two vehicles here, both with Alcantara steering wheels that are both quite dirty. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clean that up properly, safely, so you get a nice brand new finish. So we are here at Flat Out Detailing, which is my buddy's shop. Funny enough, this actually used to be my location. He took over and is doing quite well. As you can see, we have a 2009 Bentley GT here. This is a Speed Edition, so it's the V12, and then it also has some upgraded kind of race components. We're gonna look at this thing really quickly because it's super nice. Has the back seats removed, carbon fiber backed seats. But here is the steering wheel that I'm talking about. As you can see, it's just full of like lotions and just stuff from your hands, kind of pilled as well. It just doesn't look good, doesn't match the rest of the car. So we're gonna get that cleaned up. And the other vehicle is a 2020 Range Rover. Now this one is not nearly as bad. This is one that you're gonna come across a lot, that, you know, cleaning it up will make all the difference in the world and make it look much better. But from here, it looks okay, right? If you get in close though, you can see it's shiny. It's not, all the fibers of the Alcantara are flattened down, again, with just grease and oils from the hands. So we're gonna get this cleaned up and I'll show you guys how in a second. So Alcantara, now a lot of people think Alcantara and Suede are the same thing, and they are not. Suede is actually a animal product, right? It comes from a hide of an animal, versus Alcantara is fully synthetic. I think it's a blend of polyester and polyurethane, I believe. Typically, you know, 9 times out of 10, what we are dealing with as car detailers with automotive vehicles, it's gonna be Alcantara. All right, so the products that you need to get this done safely for the Alcantara, very, very simply, Kokemi Polestar. This is a pH neutral interior cleaner, works amazingly well for this. Again, pH neutral, but still has enough bite to cut through all that embedded nastiness that's in the steering wheel. So we have that. And then we also need something to agitate it with. Now, you could just use a microfiber towel. I think it's just gonna take you longer, but I love using the Auto Fiber Scrub Ninjas, and specifically the Scrub Ninja Max, only because I get more workable surface area with this. The normal Scrub Ninjas come with a brush type of material on one side, and then the other side is microfiber. In this case, we don't need the microfiber side. So on the Scrub Ninja Max, you get the white side of bristles, brush bristles, and then the other side is black, but the same type of material, just that brush style material. So we're gonna go ahead and use that. I'm gonna go ahead and tape off a 50-50 on the steering wheel and show you guys how to do it. And one more thing, guys, totally forgot, you also need some microfiber towels in addition to this, just to help mop everything up. All right, guys, so I went ahead and taped it off. I'm gonna go ahead and do this section here. Again, it's just, I mean, terrible, terrible condition. But basically we're gonna take the Polestar. Now you do want to dilute this down. We have this currently diluted down at 1 part product, 5 parts water. You can dilute all the way up to 1 to 20. But for this case, especially with this one, I left it a little bit heavier. So I'm just going to take it and spray out of the car. I don't want overspray in the car. So we're gonna take it over here. We're gonna load up some product into the pad. I'm gonna saturate it pretty good too. I'm gonna need the product. Especially with considering how dirty this steering wheel is. Okay, so there we go. And we're just gonna go ahead and start rubbing it in. We're gonna let the product do its thing. I don't want this dripping everywhere, so we're gonna mop that up a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and just lightly agitate. Outside of that, we're gonna let the product work its magic. Okay, so we're just, again, just letting those bubbles lift everything out and clean up the Alcantara. Now this product is really versatile, so we can use it on the leather as well. We don't have to worry about that. It's actually perfect for leather. So a great product for that. And I mean, this is like, I'm actually a little bit surprised how easy this is coming out. I thought this thing was gonna come out good, but I wasn't sure exactly how good. So, yeah, it looks like it's gonna come out great. And again, I wanna thank my buddy Felipe from Flat Out Detailing here in San Diego for letting me film this. I stopped by just to say hello the other day, noticed that he had these in here, and I said, hey, would you mind, because I get comments and stuff, questions all the time about Alcantara, because you could be on your steering wheel or on your seat, headliners, all that kind of stuff, and I wanna show you how to safely clean it up. So there we go, got that all done. We're gonna take just a microfiber towel now, and we're gonna go ahead and mop that up. And again, like certain spots, like this is obviously where the owner of the vehicle normally holds, so it's a little bit more there. So I'll probably go over that spot again really quickly. And you're able to just kind of work things as needed. So I still have plenty of material in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and work this area a little bit more. And anytime you're doing a steering wheel, whether it be Alcantara, regular leather, whatever, you wanna make sure to get all the way around. You wanna get all the way back here because the fingers wrap around, and a lot of times you're getting stuff on the back side. You may not see it as much, but it is there. So you wanna make sure you clean all of it properly, as well as the stitching. I'm just gonna flip this guy real quick so we get a nice clean surface, because the other side's got a lot of contamination embedded into it now from this that transferred over. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and mop it up again. Alrighty, and as you guys can see, I'm gonna pull my gloves off just so I can get this off easier. So, guys, there is the before and the after. Unbelievable result. You can actually see that there is movement in the fibers now on this side. It's still, again, it's still a little, I mean, this thing was just so bad, right? With all that pilling through there. Now we're there. It's looking 1,000,000% better. So I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly go over the rest of the steering wheel on this one, and then we'll go ahead and show you the Range Rover. All right, guys, now here we are in the Range Rover. I'm not gonna just tape it off. Again, this one's not nearly as bad, but exact same process here. I'm even using the same pad. I'll probably end up using this side a little bit more, but just to get the product spread on. Again, you want to kind of let it spread on and then let it sit a little bit. Let it break up some stuff before you even really go and agitate heavily. So we'll do that, and then we'll get this thing all cleaned up. Again, pay a lot of attention to the stitching. You don't want to leave a bunch of gunk in there. All right, so we've got that all applied here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more now onto the other side, so we have a nice clean start to finish with. Okay, again, we are currently using it at 1 to 5. We probably didn't even have to go with that dilution for this one because it wasn't nearly as bad as the other, but it'll make the job go by quicker. All right, now we'll go ahead and take our microfiber, mop all this up. Now, I don't know if you guys remember when I came through here and scratched this area and it was just gunk and it was flat and hard, and now we can actually see, well, I'm trying to show you, you can actually see movement in the Alcantara. You see that? Right, so you can brush it and it's actually standing up. It's not all matted down anymore by all the lotions and oils from the hand. All right, guys, you guys can see, this is all the gunk that I'm pulling off of the steering wheel right into my towel. And one more thing you could do is you could use an air tool on this just to help dry it out, because it is a little bit damp still, not bad. It actually dries up pretty quickly. But you could use like a tornado or something like that to help blast it out. But in this case, we are not doing that. We're just using the simple tools of Polestar, a Scrub Ninja or Scrub Ninja Max, and a microfiber towel to get this thing all cleaned up. All right, guys, so that is it. Simple and easy way to clean up your Alcantara. Again, whether it be on your seats, steering wheel, shifter knob, like on this Range Rover, actually clean that up as well. There's Alcantara on there. Headliners, all that kind of good stuff. So thank you again, Felipe. Of course, appreciate you, man. Guys, he's actually starting, if you haven't seen, we did a podcast together. So I'll link that down below. That was on the Thor Media Network. So go check that out. And then also he is starting his own YouTube channel specifically in Portuguese. For all you Brazilians, Portuguese speakers out there, tons of tutorials and stuff coming up. So I think your first one will be up next week.
Yes, hopefully.
And then, so go over there, subscribe, and then follow along his journey of growing that channel as well. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.